just minutes daily. In weeks, build defined forearms. Boost grip exercises below fit, wear wrist wraps. TFCC tears easily, heals poorly. Wraps block downward bend, protecting it. Medium firm, springy, resists deformation. Gym bros. Order now. First move. Hold 45 seconds. Stand straight with your arms in front of your chest. Clasp them together, interlacing your fingers. Now, draw circles with your wrists in each direction. Second move. Hold 45 seconds. Kneel on mat. Lean forward. Extend arms. Lift palms and thumbs. Support on fingertips. Pulse up down. Rest for 15 seconds. Third move. Hold 45 seconds. Make a fist. Roll forward on index and middle fingers. Roll back. Repeat. Fourth move. Hold 45 seconds. Hands in front. Arms straight. Lift heels. Push hips back. Set heels down. Turn palms out. Fingers toward you. Sit hips onto heels. Lean back. Stretch forearms. Return. Repeat. Move 5. Hold 45 seconds. Arms under shoulders. Knees under hips. Sit back to heels. Press down. Return. Repeat. Congrats! See